Alright, so here's our camera. Click our play button. There we go. Got our dress back from the cleaners. It looks brand new again. Got an Amazon package today with a new camera to try out. Looks like Amazon wasn't too careful with this product. So here today with another tech video. So today, Laxihub P2. I say Laxi because it's L-A-X-I like taxi, so Laxihub. I hope I'm saying it right. Either way, this is the P2 1080p smart Wi-Fi camera. As you can see, it's one of those cameras that has tilt and zoom. Of course, I'm gonna do two videos on this. I'm gonna make this video that's gonna just be an unboxing video and a setup video. Then in a couple days, I'm gonna have a separate video made with a review of this, showing you some of the image quality and things like that, as well as everything in the app. This also says it works with Alexa and Google Assistant, so we'll try that out. So we're gonna get into the P2 camera unboxing and setup first. If you can, click that like button for me, click subscribe, and check out indulgeclothing.com to get yourself some of the merch. So let's get into the P2 unboxing and setup. So the Laxihub P2 Full HD 1080p indoor pan tilt Wi-Fi smart camera that also says it's compatible with Google Assistant. I hate the box got messed up when Amazon shipped it, but hey, nothing on the top, nothing on the bottom. On the side, complete smart home security camera solution for peace of mind. So showing that they have everything, doorbells, this camera, wire-free, other indoor cameras, wire-free Wi-Fi battery floodlight. Very interesting. And the other side, P2 for family and business. This company looks like they're based out of the Netherlands. So on the back it has some installation guides for if you're mounting the camera or if you're just going to set it on a flat surface, as well as links to get their app. So as you see, for applications, home monitoring, baby monitor, pet monitor, or small business monitor, I do think this could do all of this. So let's break our little seal here. Alright. Nothing else in there. So right on top is our quick start guide. Nice. Activate for your warranty. Look at this. Even stickers. Very nice. Normally you don't get stickers. Alright, then we have a power brick, a white power brick, some screws for the mount, a fairly long looking USB cable. I believe that's part of the wall mount as well. And then last but not least, that's it there, actual camera. So yeah, so this is how you would wall mount it. You'd use your anchor screws to screw this into the ceiling, and then this would just twist on like so. Now, this does feel like a very good quality device. It doesn't feel cheap. It's like, you know, normal plastic that you'd have on any baby monitor camera type device. Now there is not a micro SD card slot. So I think that will do it for the P2 unboxing. Now let me get my phone out and let's set this thing up. This USB cable is right at about 7 feet long, so very nice job there. Alright, so I was able to scan the barcode on the back of the box to get to the app. We'll of course have to make an account here, so we'll come back once all of this is said and done. Alright, so now we're signed into the app. Now let me plug this into power, because I have not did that yet. Got a little red light there. Let's give this a minute to boot up, and then we'll come in here and see if we can add the camera. Alright, so now we have a red flashing light there. I did notice this actually, this arrow tells me where to pull this sticker off at. That's pretty cool. Alright, so with the light flashing red, I'm going to come into my app here. I'm going to click add, and it's got a couple of options here. It shows you pictures, which is always very helpful.
Please
There's
power
our hub.
on the device.
It's already powered on.
Please reset the device by holding the reset button for 5 seconds. Wait for the indicator light to flash red.
Alright, so that reset button is right there on the back. I'm going to hold it for 5 seconds. 4, 5. Now it's a solid red light, so it should be resetting. I'm going to go ahead and click next.
Select the Wi-Fi network you want to sync with. Please remove the protective film from your camera lens.
I
Tap
already
next
did
to
that.
show your...
Now there's a QR code on my phone. Show the QR code to the camera. You may have heard that little noise. And now our light has went to blue. I clicked heard notification sound, and now it's going through this process. And there we go. Now our device is connected to the app. Let's give it a name. Alright, so here's our camera. Click our play button. There we go. Alright, so now the camera is set up. That is how you'd get your P2 1080p wireless camera connected to your Wi-Fi network. That should do it for this video. Alright, so that will do it for the P2 1080p wireless camera. As you've seen here, we've unboxed the camera and I've went through the setup process with you. I literally did not come across any issues at all. Exactly what you saw was one take and everything that happened to me when I was setting this camera up. 2 thumbs up to the software. The setup seemed very, very smooth. So far, things are looking good. So I'm going to use this thing out for the next couple of days. And after using this thing out for maybe a week or so, I'm going to make another video that's going to be a review on this product. So make sure you click the like button and click subscribe to check that out. Also, I'll have a link below for the Amazon product listing for this item if you'd like to pick one up yourself. So that'll do it for this one. Click that like button for me, click subscribe, indulge in your life at indulgeclothing.com for the merch, and I'll see you in the next video. Deuces.